What? I already know that I'm not, so... Hi, Mr. Rooney. Hi everyone! So today I am going to be planting these sunflower seeds. So when I went to Fern's baby shower back in, I think February, every person who went to her baby shower got a really cute little pouch of sunflower seeds. So cute! So I thought I would plant these today, seeing as the weather's really nice and sunny. And yesterday we went to B&M, and near the till I saw that they had some seeds available, because in Fern's little packet we had one for each of them, so mummy, daddy, baby. So I thought I'd do some more because I'm not very good at growing things, and if I don't manage to grow these, then, well, it's good to have some backups, let's just say that. So I bought some more and I'm gonna pot them up now with you so you can see how easy and quick it is to do. I think I saw someone suggesting that you get a toilet roll tube or like kitchen roll tube and you cut it up, and then that can be like your starter kind of little pack. So I have one of these and also a plastic one, but I literally only have those two. I'm gonna try and do the old toilet paper trick as well, and then I'm gonna just film showing the progress, and then you'll hopefully see how easy it is and how quick, and you'll see how pretty they are. And I think they're like, what's it say about bees? It says bees are attracted to the flowers to feed on the nectar produced, so these are bee friendly, which is an added benefit. And it gives you a little thing just showing you when you should be planting them. So I've kind of left it to the last minute, and then they'll start to grow soon, so that'll be exciting. So yeah, I'll show you how I pot them up. Hi everyone! So today has been a very busy day. Not busy going out obviously because it's lockdown, but busy at home doing things in the house. So I have started a 7-day workout. It's not really a challenge, it's more like just a 7-day routine. 7 minutes, 7 days. I'm also doing another one which is a 3-minute arm one. Rosie's having a wee right next to me. Why are you doing that next to me? Thanks, Rosie. That's lovely. So that was this morning, so I've started recording those videos. That also included doing measurements as well, so in 7 days time I'll see whether I've lost any inches around my waist or on my arms. So you'll see those videos in just over a week. Right now I've just come outside, Penny's just got here, and I'm about to repot some sunflower seeds, although they're not seeds anymore, they're cute little babies. Penny's here, wandering about. There's Rosie. So my mum gave me a tip that if I get 2 forks and prise them apart, because I did put more than 1 seed per little tub, then I can separate the roots without damaging them too much. So you'll hopefully see whether that works or not. We'll see whether I'm any good at being a gardener when I already know that I'm not. So I think Rosie's gone back inside. I think I can hear Harry. Oh, hi, baby. There he is. What? Rosie is upstairs with her daddy because, yeah, he caves and gives her the ball all the time. So I'm the bad guy because I always take it away. But in reality, Rosie forgets that she needs to drink water and eat food throughout the day. And so for her to just have the ball 24/7 is not healthy, and she literally will forget to drink water. And on hot days like this, like I think it's 22 right now, she's gonna get very thirsty and dehydrated if she has the ball all the time. But let's say hi to Penny. Hi, Penny Winnie. Hi. Oh, good girl. Still exploring. Go on then, you're gonna explore some more. We have a mud pit in our garden where it was just filling with water throughout winter, and it's just become a mud pit. And if I take the slabs off now, they just dig at the mud. So I don't know what to do with this. I think I need to get some net to put down so they can't dig at it or something. And here's Rosie. Here's Rosie. Where's your daddy? Where's you gone? Where's daddy? What is she doing? What are you doing? So I have my sunflowers, some water. These are biodegradable pots, so when they get big enough, they don't have to come out of these because the roots will go through them and the soil will just be around them when I repot them again. And I think I have enough. I stole all of these from my mum because I don't have any of these for me and I didn't want to go to the shop. I've done some of these already just as a little practice, and there is one down there that I have repotted already. And so what you have to do is lift up the tube and it will come up and over the plants. I tend to just get the rest of the soil out, otherwise loads ends up staying in the little tube. And then because they are quite intertwined, all the roots, you want to try and prise it open. Whereas if you were doing this with your hands, you'd probably just be ripping them. And so now it's a lot easier to separate them carefully. I mean, it's not ideal. It would have been better to pot them individually, but there's one. I'll leave that laying there. Now these two just need a little separating. Oh, and there's a second one. And there's a third one, all separated. That one's got a lot of roots on it still. And then I will fill them up like this one. I might see how much compost I've got, because as I've got quite a few of these to do, I might not fill it very high, and then as it grows, when it gets bigger, I can repot them. But for now, I'll fill them up about this height. And then I'll give them a little bit of a watering. This compost is quite damp, so it's not as dry as this soil, but it would be nice to give them a little water. And then I'll probably bring them back in the house so bugs don't eat them and the dogs don't knock them over or they get damaged in any way. We don't have a little greenhouse, so they'll go back in the kitchen with us. Hi, Mr. Wormy. I found him in my compost. Oh, very wiggly wormy. I don't know what's wrong with you. You don't like it on my hand. I don't like you being on my hand either. It's gross. Ugh. I think I'm gonna throw him to freedom. Not near her. Or her. Bye bye, Mr. Worm. They have all been repotted. And I just about had enough of these tubs from my mum. I think I actually have one double one, which is that one, but they weren't wanting to separate as the roots were so stuck together, and I just didn't want to risk pulling them apart, and because I was short of one tub, they were happy to go in together. But yeah, they're all standing up right now. Some of them were a little bit lopsided like that one, but they're all standing up by themselves. They've had a nice little water this morning, and they'll go outside in a few days maybe. But yeah, I'll update you soon with how they're doing, and hopefully we'll see some pretty flowers in a few weeks. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you want to see how the sunflowers are doing in a few weeks. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, I am doing a 7-day exercise challenge, like workout challenge. So if you want to see that, that will be going up in about a week. So hit the subscribe button and give me any comments if you want to give me any advice on gardening, and if you see any cool tips or advice, let me know. Alright, hope to see you soon. Bye!